the gloves. Oh my gosh, kailangan pa natin i-hand it para makuha to. Really ako. Welcome back sa panibagong video at ngayon ay tayo maglalaro ulit ng panibagong horror game, pero this time maglalaro tayo ng short indie horror game na pinangalanan na Evil Unleashed. At yun lang title, so Evil Unleashed nga. So mag-touch to start na tayo, which is lagi naman touch to start. So eto, meron tayo story mode na, syempre mag-exit tayo. So story mode na tayo, let's go, simulan natin to. Tignan natin kung ano mabibigay sa atin ng game na to, kasi I'm pretty sure this game is creepier than you think, okay? Like, mas nakakatakot pa to. Not gonna lie. So, this game contains flashy image, jumpscare, blood, and gore. Use headphone for maximum horror experience. Wala na akong earphone, okay? You're Victor, a journalist student who has been trapped inside a mental asylum or church. It was believed that this church might be the origin of a great demon power that was sealed here long ago by the nuns. You have to find a way out, and your only chance of survival is to run. May habulan! Okay. Sige, continue tayo. May habulan tayo dito, Lods, okay? So, sabi kasi run, so matik na yan, okay? May habulan dito. Hay! Haya! Hay! Okay! Sige. Like, wala naman tayo magagawa eh. Okay, sige. Pag habulan, edi habulan. Yo, may oh my god, may katawan tayo. Ata? Wait lang. May katawan? Yo, may katawan tayo! Move the character by sliding controller, okay? Ano ba? Drag your finger on the right of the screen to look around. Okay, given. Sige. Yun lang. What? Ayusin ko lang yung setting ko. I think mag-ano lang ako. Maglo-low quality lang ako kasi ano yung game sa akin eh, lagi eh. Ayun o, pansin nyo. Ewan ko kung pansin nyo yung lag, pero yeah, naglalag na siya sa akin. So, sorry po. Click on the middle of the screen to do things. Okay. If touch screen mode for try moving controller and touch again to swipe the character view. If any bug occurs during starting the game, set the graphics setting according to your device for the best experience. So low quality lang to kasi low storage yung cellphone ko, matic na yan. Tol, there you go. So meron na tayong light stick. Yo, oh my god, this game. This looks promising. Okay, sure. Low. One here. Okay. So we got some TV here, pero hindi ko mag-aana. Sige. Anong gawin natin dito? Oh my god. Pero ang ganda ng game. Like, literal, ang ganda ng game. So I think nauubos ang glow stick natin kasi alam ko guys na limited lang yung glow stick eh. Wait lang. Before tayo pumunta dyan, dito muna tayo. Okay, lock. Sige. Lock. Yeah, alam ko tol. Pero nagsasalita ka pa, angas na na. Sige. I don't know what to do with that, pero sige. Hello, anyone here? Hello, tao po. Okay, so bagay pa nga yung game. Yo! Yo! Find something to open that door. Oh, we're gonna open this door. Okay, sige. No problema sa akin, kuya. Okay, walang problema. Lock yun. Okay, sige. Lagi naman eh. Yeah. Kailan ba naman hindi nalock yung mga pintuan sa isang horror game, di ba? Like, kailan ba na, oh my shit, ang hotdog. Yo, may naglakad. God dang. May naglakad. Tol, gusto to, sino yun? Wait, di ako makaliko, ay sorry. Di ako makaliko kanina, pasensya na po. Get the key from the table. Table, okay. What? Oh, okay, I think we're gonna check that out. Yeah, I think we're gonna check that out. Equip the gloves. Oh my gosh, kailangan pa natin i-hand it with para makuha to. Ano yun lang? Ganun ba? Ayun. I got it. So, no. Ano yun? So, sorry po, napamura. Oh my shit, ang kabayo. Fuck. No, don't you freaking dare. Don't you fun there. Oh my god. Ayoko na. I think dito ata yung ano. Yeah, dito nga. Tama lang. God dang. Wait lang, pinagpapawisan ako sa takot ha. Yung kakaligo ko lang eh. Grab the tool from the trolley. Sure. Grab the tool. Unequip the glow stick. Oh, naka-unequip na. Okay, shut up. Panayin ka dyan. There you go. Katawan mo, oh. Grabe. Oh! Hi! Ano bang trip mo? Bakit nananapo ka na naman ng mga something gems dito, ha? Ano trip mo? Panayin ka dyan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Hello? Souvenir? Hotdog? Cheesedog? Mukha ka. Oh. I think we're fine, yeah? I think we're fine pa naman. Sige. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung ano, no? Yung tools. So, are we gonna open it? Oh, may tag dito. Meron siyang cutscene. Okay. So, pag-open. So, parang talaga siyang PC game. There you go. Yo! Ate, are you good? Ate. Ate, you're good. Okay. Ate. Ate, wag mo ako subukan gulatin. Bibiray talaga. Putok.
Who's there?
Who's there? Hindi, keme lang. Ginagaya ko na yung character ko. Feel ko lang eh. Oh my god. Oh, ate. Bigla ka nawawala. Sure, bigla siya nawawala. Okay, sige. Ano ba naman magagawa natin? Bigla nawala. Bigla nawala. Okay, wala. Wala na ba tayong gamit dito? Hello? Something in here? Nothing? Okay, nothing. Dito. Still nothing. Yeah, still nothing. Wala pa din. Wala pa din kwenta ang lugar na to. Alam niyo kung bakit? Hindi ko rin alam. Something's not right here. I should draw. Tol, bakit may uwak, tol? Hotdog. Cheesedog. Kakalog-kalog. Okay. Anong ginagawa ng uwak dito? Ha? Seryoso? Seryoso, tol? Yung totoo? Anong ginagawa ng uwak? Ha? Hello? Can we interact this? Lock? Okay, lock. Sige. We're gonna find some key. Okay, so this looks weird, pero sige. Ano to? Okay, wala doon. What is this? We got something in here. I don't know what's that, pero we need that eh. Pero hindi natin makuha. I don't know why. Di ba? Find keycard, find crowbar. Para dito. Okay, sure. Keycard, oh! May tumatay ba? Ay, wala. Kala ko may tumatay. Sorry po. Sensya na. Nakistorbo ko. Sorry na. Ito na, alis na. So, keycard and crowbar yung kailangan natin. Which is, sige. God dang, this place. It's so... There you go. Now, what's our, next objective? So, what are we gonna do in this place? Wait lang, sorry Nagpapawisan ako eh. Grabe, nakakatakot tong game na to. Pati pagpawisan ako, rare lang mangyari yun Oh, so we're gonna go to this computer. Okay, sige. For what? Anong gagawin mo? Tol, you good? Oh, nag-shut down yung computer bigla. Ano ba yan? Type mo? I think he's typing some kind of a code ata. Kasi, yo, may tumulak sa'yo, tol. May tumulak sa'yo, ano? Upo ka, dali. May tumulak sa'yo. There you go. Oh, okay, sige. What's going on? Seryoso, what's going on? I don't get it. Pero sige. Uy, tumatagos ka po sa lamesa. Okay, I think. Hindi ko pa maslide yung right side. Sige, ayun. Okay na. Hello? Tarantado, sino yun? Yata. We got some gun. Hehe, manda ka sa akin with some gun. Hehe. Labas mga hotdog. Ha? Labas. Sige. Papalaga ko sa inyong mga hampas lupa kayo, Lock? Lock yan, syempre. Alam ko, tol, manayin ka dyan, okay? Alam kong lock yan, hindi ganun kapurulot ako, okay? Pero, start generator from underground. Start generator? Okay. Bakit kailangan natin generator? Like, seriously, bakit? Para saan? Saan natin gagamitin, ha? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Yo, what is this place? Bakit may baha dito? I need to keep an eyes open. Yup, you definitely need to. Amos are low. I need to use them. Promise to. Tol! What the No. 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 Hindi posible yun. Hindi posible yun. So, hindi nga talaga na-damage yung sanity ko. Like, literal sanity ko So, tama nga ako ng doubt. Oh, grabe guys, I finally survived the game. So, yun. Maraming salamat sa part ng video na to. Ori tayo dyan.